Hello, grade 5 learners. Let me ask you something. Have you ever talked to someone from another country and wondered, why is it daytime for me but nighttime for them? Or maybe you've seen clocks like this. Why do they show different times? Today, we are going to discover the answer. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to compare time in different countries using time zones, solve real-life problems involving world time, understand why time is different around the world. Before we start, let's do a quick review. Convert this: 7:08 a.m. in 24-hour time, 10:40 p.m. in 24-hour time. Great job! Did you know? The Earth is divided into 24 time zones. That's because the Earth rotates once every 24 hours. It is divided into 360 degrees. So every 15 degrees equals 1 hour. The reference point for world time is called UTC, Coordinated Universal Time, or GMT, Greenwich Mean Time. The Philippines is in UTC +8. Countries located east of the reference point are ahead in time, while countries located west are behind in time. Let's understand this using an example from the lesson. According to the lesson, if it is 2:12 p.m. in the Philippines, the time in New York is 2:12 a.m. In London, it is 7:12 a.m. And in Tokyo, it is 3:12 p.m. This happens because each place has a different UTC or time zone. To find the time in another place, first identify the UTC of both places. Next, find the time difference between them. Then, add the difference if the place is ahead in time, or subtract the difference if the place is behind in time. Here is an example problem. If it is 4 p.m. in the Philippines, what time is it in Auckland? The Philippines is in UTC +8, while Auckland is in UTC +12. To find the time difference, subtract 8 from 12, which gives 4 hours. Since Auckland is ahead in time, add 4 hours to 4 p.m. Therefore, the time in Auckland is 8 p.m. Here is another example problem. If it is 10 a.m. in the Philippines, what time is it in Lima, Peru? The Philippines is in UTC +8, while Lima is in UTC -5. To find the time difference, add 8 and 5, which gives 13 hours. Since Lima is behind the Philippines in time, subtract 13 hours from 10 a.m. Therefore, the time in Lima is 9 p.m. on the previous day, which is Sunday. Imagine calling a friend in another country. If you do not know the time difference, you might call them while they are sleeping. That is why understanding time zones is very important. It helps people when traveling, joining online meetings, and communicating with friends and family abroad. Let's try another example. If it is 9:30 p.m. in the Philippines, what time is it in Sydney, which is in UTC +10? Since Sydney is 2 hours ahead of the Philippines, add 2 hours to 9:30 p.m. Therefore, the time in Sydney is 11:30 p.m. Today, you learned about time zones, how to compare time in different places, and how to solve real-life problems involving time differences. Always remember that time connects people around the world. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. See you in our next math lesson. To apply and deepen what we have learned today, let us perform the following activity. To check your understanding of today's lesson and see how much you have learned, we will now have a short formative test. Read each question carefully and do your best.